Hello and welcome to G-Bo's Firearms Friday. Are you one of those people that like to get out of the house and go do a little plinking or maybe target shooting? Maybe you're one of those people that love the sport of competition shooting. Well, we have the gun for you, the Ruger SR-22. This SR comes in the Cerakote finish. It has adjustable rear sights for windage and for elevation. You can also reverse the blade for dot or thin shooting. It comes with two sets of grips, a thin and a thick. It also comes with two magazines and two base plates for extensions for 2 fingers. This gun sells regularly for $349.97. Today, and today only, you can get it for $319.97, a $30 savings. So go to your nearest G-Bo's, put some hands on it, feel how good it feels, and while you're there, don't forget to join the G-Bo's VIP Club and enjoy many other savings that G-Bo's offers their members through the year. Thank you. You have a safe and great day.